Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to AAA Tech, your go-to channel for tech videos, automation and DevOps insights. Today we are diving into Ansible, one of the most powerful automation tools in DevOps. What is Ansible? How to install it on Ubuntu? How to set up a master and worker node? If you are new to Ansible or want to level up your automation skills, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech content. Let's get started. Before we start installing Ansible, let's understand what it is and why it is so popular. Ansible is an open source IT automation tool that helps you manage and configure servers without needing to log into each one manually. No agents required, unlike Puppet or Chef. Ansible doesn't need any additional software installed on worker machines. It just uses SSH to connect. Ansible is used for automating the system configurations, deploying applications, and managing cloud services. Now let's move on to the installation. We will be installing Ansible on our master node control machine, which will manage other machines' worker nodes. First, update your system packages to ensure everything is up to date. To make sure we install the latest stable version of Ansible, let's add the official Ansible repository. Now install Ansible using the package manager. Once installed, check if Ansible is working by running. You can see the installed version of the Ansible. The output ensures that we get the latest version of the Ansible. Now that Ansible is installed, let's set up our master and worker. Ansible communicates with worker nodes using SSH. Instead of entering passwords every time, we will set up passwordless authentication. Configure SSH key based authentication on the master node. Generate an SSH key. The second step is copy the SSH key to worker node. This is our worker node IP. Now it is added. Now test the SSH connection from the master node to the worker node. Now you can see if you log in without a password, the SSH setup is successful. Now let's tell Ansible which machines to manage. On the master node, edit the Ansible inventory file. Now save this file. Test the Ansible connection. Let's see if Ansible can talk to our worker nodes. Run this command. Now you can see Ansible user is not detectable, so you have to remove this from the inventory file. Again run the command to check the Ansible connection. Now you can see everything is set up correctly. You should see a success message. Now that our Ansible setup is complete, and that's it. We successfully installed Ansible, set up a master worker node configuration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.